So even when they seem similar, blending theory displays various differences with the conceptual metaphor theory. The first is, not all the blends are metaphorical. Conceptual metaphors typically involve two spaces, the source domain and the target domain. The source domain provides the metaphorical concept and the target domain is the concept which is being described metaphorically. On the other hand, blending can involve multiple input spaces. It's like mixing together different ideas or concepts from various sources to create a new blend. For example, when someone says you are digging your own financial grave, it's a blend that combines the idea of digging a grave with the financial trouble. The next is, blending does not involve unidirectional mappings. Conceptual metaphor theory mainly focuses on mapping concepts from one domain to another in a one-way direction. In blending theory, instead of just transferring structure from one domain to another, it selectively takes elements from different inputs and combines them into a blended space. The structure created in the blend can sometimes be projected back to the original input spaces. This means that the blend can influence or change the original concepts that it came from. For example, time is money. In conceptual metaphor theory, time is money would involve a one-way mapping from the concept of money to time. But the blending theory combines elements from both domains to create a new blended concept, such as imagining time as a currency, where we have concepts like spending time, saving time, or even investing time like we would do with the money. Lastly, emergent structure. A particularly important difference between two theories is that while blending theory provides an account of emergent structure, conceptual metaphor theory does not. This follows from the fact that conceptual metaphor theory relies upon a two-domain model.
Let's summarize what we discussed. Conceptual integration consists of an architecture that involves generic space, two or more input spaces, and a blended space. It creates emergent structures that are not present in the input spaces. It involves compression of vital relations such as time, space, identity, role, etc. We concluded the discussion with a critical evaluation of the differences between conceptual metaphor theory and blending theory.
Created using Powtoon.